Publishing your first book on Amazon KDP is exciting. You spend days, if not weeks, drafting, editing, and designing the cover. And then you hit publish. But here's the heartbreaking truth. Most first-time AI publishers get it completely wrong. They launch their book, wait for sales, and then what? Nothing happens. The book just sits there invisible, collecting dust. Why? Because they never learned how to launch it the right way. Launching isn't just hitting that upload button. It's an entire process. And if you skip it, you're basically guaranteeing failure. So today, I'm going to give you the exact launch system that you need so that way your first AI book doesn't just exist on Amazon, it actually sells. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive into it. All right, step 1, validate before you write. Here's where most beginners waste months. They pick a niche without validating demand. Then they're shocked when their book doesn't sell. Validation has to come first. Open Amazon, type your idea into the search bar, and then pay attention to what autofills. This is Amazon telling you exactly what real people are searching for. Next, check the top results. If the leading books have under 100 reviews, but the books are still in the top 50,000, then that's a green light. It means people are buying, but the competition is not overwhelming. Without validation, you're building on sand. With it, you're building on solid ground. All right, now step 2, make the book reader ready. Okay, now let's say you've got your niche. AI helped you generate the draft. Okay, now let's say you've got your niche and AI helped you generate a draft. Now here's the hard truth. If you upload that draft raw, then your book is dead on arrival. Readers do not want robotic text. They want personality. That means you need to humanize your manuscript. Add stories, insert examples, and smooth out the tone. This does not take forever. You can do this with a simple round of editing and a solid checklist. But if you skip this step, every other part of your launch will fail, simply because readers won't stick around. By the way, if you want to go deeper than just this tutorial, I put together a full course that shows you my entire publishing system, step by step. It covers the exact prompts, formatting tricks, and marketing strategies that I use to actually sell books on Amazon. The link's in the description. Check it out if you're serious about turning this into real results. Now back to the video, which brings me to step 3, covers that sell. Covers are the silent killer of first-time books. Most people either just slap on a free template or try to design something cheap in Canva, and it looks cheap. And readers notice this. So the truth is, readers do judge a book by its cover. If yours doesn't look professional, they won't even click. That's why I recommend using a proven cover template or just invest $30 to $50 in a really good Fiverr designer. It's a tiny investment that can 10x your results. Because if no one clicks, then no one buys. It's as simple as that. So finally, step 4, launch with momentum. Now we get to the fun part, the launch. Your first week is everything. Amazon's algorithm is watching to see if people click, buy, and engage. And if they do, it rewards you by showing your book to more readers. If they don't, your book sinks. How do you prevent that from happening? So here's the strategy. Price your book low or even free for the first 5 to 7 days. Don't think about profit yet. Just focus on visibility. Drive those first clicks yourself. Share the link in niche Facebook groups, TikTok clips, YouTube clips, or even an email list if you have one. Even a small push, 30 to 50 sales, can absolutely trigger Amazon's algorithm. Once Amazon sees momentum, it starts doing the heavy lifting for you. Suddenly, your book starts showing up in the also bought and recommended sections. Before we finish, let me give you a real example. One of my students published a book in the mindful parenting niche. They priced it at 99 cents for launch week, made a couple of TikTok videos about it, and sold about 45 copies in those first 7 days. By week 2, Amazon had picked it up. That book went on to earn $300 in that first month. Now, $300 might not sound like life-changing money, but here's the point. It was their first book. Imagine stacking 10 books like that. Suddenly, you're at $3,000 a month in royalties. And that is how this becomes a real business. So here's the takeaway. Don't waste months writing your first AI book only to kill it with a bad launch. Validate your niche before you start. Humanize the draft so readers connect. Invest in a cover that sells. And then finally, launch with momentum. Because those first 7 days are the difference between success and failure. If you follow this process, then your first book has a real shot at breaking through. And if you want my full set of launch templates and step-by-step workflows, I put them all inside my course, the link's below. And hey, if this video gave you clarity, then hit that subscribe button because the next videos are going to take you even deeper into the exact systems that I use to scale from one book to a full publishing business. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.